on this episode of American Travelers. We're on our way to Matera, an ancient city in the southern part of Italy. We see this unusual above-ground pipe. My guess is that it carries water.
And here is the first view of the city. Wow, what do we have here?
We're in the ancient city of Matera. It dates back 7,500 BC. The Sassi di Matera is one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. The word Sassi means stone in English.
Matera has a very dry climate, and the city had a remarkable underground water system known as the cisterns of Matera. The water was collected and stored in underground reservoirs.
All of the homes and businesses are built right into the side of the mountain. This is quite a unique place. So many visitors come to walk the stone streets. We zip down the main street and hike up to the St. Mary of Idris Church on top of the hill.
Here in Matera, this church was carved right into the mountain, just like this whole town.
The ancient hermitage has two monasteries. The Church of St. Mary's of Idris, also known as the Holy Mother of Water.
Women would crawl up the steps leading to the church and lick a licking channel called a toyo until they reached the Holy Mother of Water altar inside.
The second part of the church is the cave of San Giovanni in Monteroni.
Our friend is ready to move on. This is a view from the backside of the church. Next, we trek back down to the San Pietro Cavesio, also known as the St. Peter and St. Paul Church. The front of the church is a Baroque style and features three portals with statues of Madonna of Mercy, St. Peter, and St. Paul.
Well, we're back on the road to go explore the most primitive part of Matera.
Carrie said she would take one for the team and go to the mountain on the other side and run up to those caves. But to her surprise, there's a gate and signs prohibiting entry to the trail. So this is what it looks like to have determination.
Wow, what a view! These are the ancient dwellings we came to see.
Most Italians have not heard about Matera until the 1940s. A writer named Carlo Levi wrote a book in 1945 about the way people were living in the Matera caves, which brought attention to the area. 20 or more people lived in each cave with their animals until the 1950s. Carrie is filming with the GoPro, and as you can see, it's not an easy trail.
Even though the trail was gated and prohibited, a lot of folks wanted to see these caves. This bridge is safe, but scary at the same time.
Carrie scurries up the trail as she's excited to get to the caves. I would say she's around 300 yards from where I was with the camera. She has a wireless microphone on, and we're very surprised that we received her audio.
Welcome home, honey. Let's see what the neighbor's house looks like.
If there's someone in there, I think I'm gonna run. These caves are pretty big, and it was a primitive way of life. Just imagine your whole family living here.
Matera's unique landscape attracted many filmmakers from around the world. Mel Gibson filmed The Passion of the Christ here. Another movie was the James Bond film No Time to Die, and the 2021 film The King's Man.
I'll tell you, this is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen of a city carved right into a mountain. And then the views up here are spectacular with these wonderful caves.
We would highly recommend a trip to Matera when coming to Italy. Thanks for watching American Travelers.